Where should we start?
We're starting right now. Okay, welcome back, YouTube.
Welcome back, YouTube.
We're
at my house.
Yeah, we're at Franklin's area.
Yep.
Say your YouTube name.
My YouTube name is Frank Brickboy.
Frank Brickboy. That's his YouTube name.
Yep.
So subscribe to him.
Yep.
I'll put him as a featured channel for you so you can see. If you look ahead, you can see there's a digger.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna go over there and see it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's gonna be fun. Here, I'm gonna keep the iPod warm.
I think we are taking
Hold on a minute, YouTube. Is there someone in that car over there? No? You go over there and check. I will be over there. No? There's no one in there? Okay. Let's YouTube. Oh my gosh. I wonder if the door's locked. Oh, it's not. That's inside. See that screwdriver? On the ground. Okay, you can look in there. I'm gonna look in this one now. I don't think we need to look in that one. They're big.
And there's the back.
I can't get in. There's probably no one even here.
No, not during the weekend.
Don't even touch any buttons.
No.
Okay, we're gonna shut this door. Everything's in the snowbank now. Just leave everything there. Like I always say in all my videos. Okay, I'm gonna keep the iPad warm. You guys could study at first. Car.
Yep.
Hello. Oh my God, we would have been in. We were gonna be in trouble.
What?
Did that guy come from that driveway?
I think he came in that way.
Okay. Okay. Let's go down. Let's go up this driveway.
Okay.
Okay. Just hold on, YouTube. I'm sorry about this. Mud. And dogs too. Very gunky.
Oh boy, here comes the two dogs.
What dogs?
I
I know, I see them. I'm just... Come here, Daddies. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kick their asses.
I think they think they're our neighbors.
Get out of here. I know you're scared of me because I'm the Godfather. Puppies. Okay. Hope you had fun. I'll see you next video.
Yep.